Hello, welcome back to the channel, and we're asking, will it work again today? The product is Rain-X Headlight Restoration Kit. Now, I'll be honest, I've had this in stock for a year, I would say, easy. So I can't remember how much I paid for it, but I did a quick look online, £10 off Asda's website. That's, I think, the cheapest I've seen it, and then yeah, anywhere upwards to about 25 quid. Yes, we're using it on this Ford Fusion. It's failed its MOT on the offside front headlight. Lens deteriorated. It's advised the near side headlight being deteriorated. So yeah, I'm not going to read the instructions because yeah, it's quite extensive. I will put a photo up. What do you get? You get some Rain-X lubricant, some headlight restorer, a sealant, 3 polishing pads, and a microfiber cloth. And it says the first thing to do is clean the headlights so there's no dirt and debris on them. So let's get cracking. So this is what we're dealing with at the moment. You can see this one's worse than that one. I may do an extreme version where we try and do these Seat Ibiza headlights because they look knackered. I don't know if that one's worse, but we can't really see. Yeah, but for now, let's do this. So I've just got some like 5-year-old waterless wash and wax. Just a couple of sprays and then basically a dirty microfiber that I used last time I cleaned the Beamer. So that's got rid of any dirt and debris. Now, what do we start with? Polishing pad number 1. Three pads. Numbered 1 to 3. Pad number 1. Diagonal motion. Some lubricant. Spray headlight and pads with lubricant. Go in diagonal motions. Right, probably wipe it now, do we? Some yellowing should be removed, which you can sort of see. Pad number 2. Then we go side to side and up and down. Pad number 2. Okay. That's that. Wipe again, pad number 3, diagonal motion. Okay. What's next? Wipe it. Still see scratches in it. Maybe the next step will address that. Generous amounts of Headlight Restorer onto the microfiber, rubbing Headlight using firm circular motions, repeating until all the haze is removed. Okay. So, that looks loads better already. It does say to clean it with some soapy water. Rinse with water and wipe dry. And then the sealer needs wiping on a clean cloth or a paper towel and apply uniformly to headlights. So I'm going to go and get a clean cloth. Right, there's my cloth. It might not look clean, but it's been through the washing machine. Just going to do some cross-hatch motions. Maybe a bit of diagonal chucked in there. That actually looks pretty good. Guess that just dries on its own. Right, I've just finished that one. They look 10 times better. They should pass the MOT now. Obviously, if your paintwork is in a bit better condition than mine, maybe lift the bonnet, mask up anything you don't want to get the polishing compound on, or your sanding pads. But other than that, that is not a bad result at all. So will it work? Yes, it will. Rain-X Headlight Restoration Kit. Nice. Another thing to note is this sealant doesn't even look like it's been used. The lubricant, what have I used? Maybe a quarter or a fifth of that container, so maybe do 10 headlights with that. But at work, all we usually use is G3 polishing tool. So I imagine if the, just slightly discoloured, you probably get away with that, and just some some sealant. Bit of experimentation, isn't it? Not every headlight's going to need 3 stages of sanding. So yeah, for tenner, do 10 headlights. Pound a headlight, not bad at all.